In this section, we will learn about algorithms involving the tree data structure, and how to implement these algorithms using C++ code. The tree algorithms we will learn about are in-order traversal, pre-order traversal, post-order traversal, maximum depth of a binary tree, balanced binary tree, path sum, breadth first search, and depth first search. Then we will recap the key takeaways from this section. By the end of this section, you will understand many common tree algorithms that come up on coding interviews, and how to solve them using C++ code.